Hello my fellow YouTubers, I'm back. I'm still doing them dehydrated meals for that walk across Scotland that I'm doing. I was going to make some shepherd's pies, but I thought I'll get them from Lidl instead. Am I allowed to say Lidl on there? Yeah, okay, might get copyrighted, but fair enough. It was half price, so you've got to do it, haven't you? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook them in the oven and that and mash them down, probably put a bit of gravy with it, get it a bit wetter, and then I'm going to dehydrate it, and it'll be a bit of a surprise when I'm in my bag. So let's get to it. These what I've been cooking, £1.40, 2 of them. You can't make it for that, so give it a go. And I've got a curry as well, which I'm going to whack in there. I have these on night shift actually, they're pretty decent. So let's get them in the oven and we'll see what they turn out like. Well, there's the shepherd's pies. I'm going to add a little bit of gravy just to wet it down a bit, because it can become a bit dry. So stay tuned. Right, I know what you're thinking. It looks like something you see in the town centre on a Saturday, but that's going to taste really good. So let me test it. Right, let's get it on the trays. Right, it's official. I've gone mad. I've added to the original plan. Let's take a look. Right, I've got me cottage pies, and I'm going to do some of these olives. I've done them before, and they're so intense. They're quite a nice little snack, them actually. Flavour burst. And there's my jalfrezi. That is hot. I'm pretty scared actually. I'm in the middle of nowhere for quite a while, and I'm scared that my ass is going to blow up, because there's no toilets. But there you go. Right, I'm going to dehydrate it, and then I'll come back and you'll see the results. Right, I'm back. I've dehydrated my curry and shepherd's pie. I keep saying shepherd's pie, it's cottage pie, isn't it, rebuff? Right, let's have a look. Right, them cottage pies, this is what they turn out like. Quite light actually, compared to what they were. I can't remember what they actually was. I think it was about 600 grams, but that's definitely half. There's the other one. They will keep for months actually, like that. And there's that jalfrezi. I'm scared of that. And these little things, olives, they took ages. And I've just tried one actually, and they're really intense. That'll be a nice little snack then. Looking forward to them. Right, I'm going to go. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. I might do some more yet. I'm trying to think what else to do, but I'm not sure yet. Oh, actually, I tried a little experiment. Some chicken skin, listen, and it's still crispy in there. What I did with that is I brined it for about 2 days and cooked them and put them in the dehydrator, and they just went really crispy. So I'm really looking forward to them. They're like crisps. All right, well, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.